Everyone, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. I'm filming another pack with me. I'm going to Las Vegas for nationals. But before I start the pack with me, I want to thank Poshmark for sponsoring this video. So I'm constantly cleaning out my closet, and whenever I do, I think it's a really good time to put things on my Poshmark account. If you don't already, you can follow my account. My username is @Nicole_Lano. And also you can click the link down below in the description box to download Poshmark. It's completely free, and then you can start selling and shopping for items. So I wanted to show you guys how my closet looks. So I'm going to open Poshmark and then click on my closet, and I've already added so many items and they're live, so you can start shopping them now. But all of them are either new or slightly used, and they're 50% off or more, so they're great prices, and they're also great brands. There's Nike, Adidas, Calvin Klein, Free People. For example, there's Nike slides. They're brand new and I think they're super cute. I also put a Adidas hat, so there's this navy blue one, this pink one, and then here's a fanny pack from Calvin Klein. It was originally $78, but I put it up for $30. But yeah, there are a bunch of things, so make sure to check out my closet. And also, a cool thing I'm doing is having mystery items for sale. They're gonna be new from brands like Quit Australia or Free People. For example, this mystery item, it's a new mystery brand named Sunglasses. So you're going to receive one pair of mystery brand named Sunglasses, and I think it's just fun, like a little mystery. But yeah, that is my closet. So I'm super excited for you guys to shop my closet. Again, my username is @Nicole_Lano, and make sure to click the link down below in the description box to download Poshmark and also shop my closet. So thank you again to Poshmark, and happy shopping, guys. All right, now let's get back into the pack with me. It's for a dance convention, Hollywood Vibe. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm very excited, and I'm going there for a week. So I have to pack a bunch of things, and I thought I would bring you guys along. I literally have so many things to pack, so I'm just gonna start right now. So if you don't know, different dance conventions have nationals, and it's basically like the end of the season, so they have a whole week of class, like competition and everything like that. I have 3 days of dance convention class, and I'm pretty much packing the same things, but just different brands of the clothes. You'll see. For the first class day, I'm packing leggings, a sports bra, a t-shirt, and black socks. These are some of my favorite leggings. They're from Ivivva. They're just normal black leggings. These are 12 and I still fit them. I mean, I'm only 13, but still. Okay, and then for sports bra, sorry, it's really messy in my closet right now. I'm trying to look for a sports bra. I found this sports bra. It's from Joe & Jack's. It looks like this. It's really cute. It has this detailing like a marble type of thing, and then a cross on the back. And I also found these shorts too. I think those are really cute. These are also from Joe & Jack's, and they're just some white shorts. So I'm just gonna pack them. I don't know if I want to wear shorts because sometimes there's like floor work in dance classes. That's why I'm packing leggings for all the days, but I'll just bring these just in case. Again, they're really cute. And then I need a t-shirt. I picked this one right here. It's just the Rolling Stones logo. This one's from Brandy. The reason I'm packing a t-shirt is because there's hip hop classes. I don't know. I don't really like dancing in a sports bra for hip hop, so I'm just packing this t-shirt. Alrighty, and lastly, I need black socks. Here is my class day 1 outfit. Now we have class day dos. And like I said, it's like the same thing. So I just need leggings, a sports bra, t-shirt, and black socks. For leggings, I'm packing these white ones. I love these so much. These are from Aerie, and they're literally so soft. On the sides, they have some mesh over here. I'm just gonna pack this for now, and if I change it, then I change it. It's just black, and then it has a white Nike sign. And then t-shirt. This is a shirt from Cotton On, and I didn't want to pack like a bright top, so I just picked out this one. Okay, so here's my second outfit. And my last class day, day 3. Sorry, this is really repetitive, but I need leggings, a sports bra, t-shirt, and black socks. For leggings, I have these ones right here, and again, they're so nice. I'm really sorry, I don't know what brand this is, but they're just a purple plum color, so I'm packing these. For sports bra, I have this Nike one. It's just this gray one. Like, that'll work, right? Okay, I'm just gonna pack that. Packing is so stressful. I'm probably gonna change this, but I'm just packing this regular black shirt. Again, it's from Cotton On. It's the same shirt as the brick colored one. I was standing by my closet for like 5 minutes, so I just picked this one out. And again, some black socks. Okay. There's day 3, and then here are all of my class day outfits. And then the day after that, after all the classes, I have rehearsal and then the gala, which is the closing show, like the whole shebang. Don't be mad, but For rehearsal, I need leggings, a sports bra, a t-shirt, and then black socks. I guess I don't really need a t-shirt. Actually, wait, maybe I do. Actually, no, I think I do. I have these honey cut leggings. Again, they're very nice leggings. For sports bra and t-shirt, I'm mainly just gonna wear the t-shirt because our piece is hip hop. I don't really have to take my t-shirt off. But both my bra and t-shirt are from Adidas. I have this white bra. It's really cute. It's like that in the back. And then my t-shirt is purple. And I'll probably tuck it in the front or back or like tie it or something like that. Do I even have more black socks? Oh, I have some short ones too. Oh no. So I need a dress for the gala, but I don't know where my dress is that I wanted to wear. Is it in there? Yeah, I don't know where it is. I think my mom knows where it is, but she's downstairs and I'm too lazy to go down there, so I'll just ask her later. But here are all the outfits so far. The 3 class days and then my rehearsal outfit. 2 of the days out of the week I have nothing, so I have free days. I think me and my mom are just gonna go out, like out of the convention, like out of the hotel, and maybe shop or something like that. But here's what I need. I need summer dresses, jean shorts, and then tank tops. I just got these 2 dresses from Nordstrom's. They're like flowy summer dresses, and I thought they would be really nice because obviously in Vegas it's gonna be really hot. So these light and airy dresses will be perfect. And then here are 2 pairs of jean shorts. They're both from Hollister, and for size references, I'm a 00. There you have it. It's starting to get really dark outside. Oh my god, look how dark it looks back there. It's already 7:45 p.m. Tank tops, I have 2 of these from Brandy. One that just has a slit right here, and then another one with the butterfly logo. Next on my list, on those 2 days that I have free, I might take some dance classes at dance studios and not just at the convention. So I need sweatpants, t-shirts, and socks, but not black socks. White socks. First, I'm packing these Brandy sweats. I love these sweats. I wear them all the time. And then here are just some regular black ones from Cotton On. Oh. I'm filming this on 4th of July, but there's a bunch of fireworks going off, so yay. For t-shirts, I got this one from Yes Style, and you can use the code Nicole10 for 10% off orders over $49. This one is from Cotton On. Wait, right? Yeah, and this one's from Cotton On. It's purple and it says Metallica. This fabric is really nice and it's very like flowy. Oh wow, look at how many clothes we have. We have all of this, and then come in. Who's that? Hi, Abby. You want to what? You want to be in my room? Oh my god, you're so cute. What are you doing? I want to draw. You want to draw? Uh-huh. Okay, I'll get you something to draw with. Do you want to say hi to my video? Say hi. My cousins are currently over, but...
With the cousins.
You're my cousin. Did you know you're my cousin?
Mm.
My cousin is currently drawing, so now I just need PJs.
What am I going to show this? Look.
Oh my god, what a pretty rainbow.
Yeah.
Can I show the camera?
Uh-huh.
Look at her rainbow. Wow. All I need for pajamas are my fluffy pants, some shorts, and then t-shirts. By fluffy pants, I mean like fluffy pants. So I have this pair and then this pair. Look at all my clothes I'm packing.
Whoa, where are you going?
I'm going to Vegas. Do you know where that is?
Uh-huh.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Wow. And then it might be hot in the hotel maybe, I don't know, but I'm just packing some shorts like this, 2 pairs of these, and then some t-shirts, which I can wear 2 nights in a row. All right, peeps, here are all my clothes. There's Evie. Say hi again.
Hi.
Okay.
Paintbrush.
You want a paintbrush? That's a makeup brush. Here, I got a new one. Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
Is it pretty?
Uh-huh.
Here are all of the finished clothes. I probably will change a lot of them. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure to like and subscribe, and also turn on my post notifications. Love you guys so much. Ready to say bye. Bye.